All right, switching gears now, talking about your weather. We are staying weather aware here on this Monday evening. Hope everybody enjoyed the eclipse and hope everybody, if you're out on the roads or about to be out on the roads, let's get to where we need to get quickly because we do have some severe weather potential to talk about. So we're under a tornado watch, primarily our eastern counties. So we're talking Falls, Limestone, Freestone, down into the Brazos Valley. That's kind of the primary area for this tornado watch right now. Haven't seen any tornadic activity in our neck of the woods. We are seeing some stronger storms though. So as we take a look at our live Doppler, ooh, we skipped right up past it. Let's just to kind of go back just a little bit here. My back button is not working. Whitney, if you want to. Oh, and we're, okay, here we go. Sorry, we're having some technical difficulties with our Max machines here for some reason. So let's get into our radar. There we go. That's, all right, so let's, I'm just going to step off. We're just going to take a look real quick. There we go. All right, so we have our live Doppler radar. I don't know what was happening right there, but that's live television for you. So we have this line of thunderstorms. We do have one severe thunderstorm warning in the area right now to talk about. That's in Freestone County right now. This storm is going to move off into Anderson and Henderson County, so it will be out of the viewing area here in the next little while, but it is moving right along US 294, right, or Texas Highway 294 right now. So as we zoom in it and we kind of put a scope on it, let's take a look. We are seeing what looks like a potential hail core developing there. So as we take a look inside the storm, we're going to look and see if we do have any hail. Right now, you do see right there, this does have a severe thunderstorm warning on it, so we're probably looking at hail of 1 inch, but again, it's a very small hail core kind of moving through just north of Texas 294. So as we switch to our velocity scan, I want to take a look at this, and the reason I do, this storm was showing some kind of broad rotation earlier in the mid-levels. Nothing intense, nothing that we would issue a tornado warning for. However, if that tightens up, we could see that turn into an issue real quick. But again, we're not really seeing that tight rotation, just a little bit of broad rotation there. So again, not a tornado concern really with this one. So let's take it down off to the southwest here as we move down towards parts of Limestone County and then into Falls County right now. Like I said, this is kind of developing into a line of showers and thunderstorms across the area. So from Marlin, basically all the way back off to the edge of Freestone County there, that's where we're seeing the storms. Some locally heavy rainfall with some of these storms. Not seeing anything that would indicate hail cores along the line, but notice we are seeing frequent cloud to ground lightning with some of these thunderstorms. So as we kind of put a track on this heaviest part of the storm, it's moving off towards Groesbeck by about 541, Mejia 614, Wortham by about 637, Richland 706, and then up into Oak Valley here by about 724. Moving north only at about 20 or so miles per hour, so they're not screaming along, so that's why it's taking them a little bit longer to get from community to community. So we are actually starting to see a little bit of activity developing in parts of Bell County right now too. Can actually hear it falling on the roof. You can see it right there, right along I-35. Again, nothing severe, just showers across the area north of Temple. And then down to the south, we are seeing more activity right around Georgetown. That's going to move right up I-35. So that's what we're dealing with in terms of the storms as we speak. So what are we expecting as we head through the rest of the evening? So we're seeing on our future cast kind of exactly what the radar is showing right now. It is expecting some of these storms to develop into stronger storms here over the next couple of hours. By 8:30, kind of taking the teeth out just a little bit with possible redevelopment, mainly for our northeastern counties here as we head towards 11 o'clock. And then we get a break. But then after that, we're going to see round 2 move in from the west as we head towards your Tuesday morning. Possible more severe weather here as we head towards the lunch hour, and then possibly lasting into the evening hours Tuesday as well. So we are dealing with 2 potential days of severe weather, and then we have more rain on the way for Wednesday. Won't be as severe, but after that moves out, all of this will be finally a distant memory. Let's take a look at your 7-day forecast here as it comes up. We're waiting on the computer just to, all right, let's pull it up. The button is not working. There we go. All right, so 77 for tomorrow, a little bit cooler on Wednesday. There's those showers and thunderstorms. And then as we head through the rest of the weekend, we'll finally start to dry out and clear up just a little bit.